This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete Telegram channel and group on iPhone. So if you created a channel or a group on Telegram and now you are wondering how to delete them, follow these quick steps to do it. Open your Telegram app, open the group you want to delete, tap on the group name at the top, tap on more, delete group, delete, and the group will be deleted. And to delete a channel, open the specific channel you want to delete, tap on the channel name at the top, tap on edit at the top right, tap on delete channel, delete for all, and this is how we can delete Telegram channel and group from iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.